just wanted to update you on our building pad. We are building off the ground, but we wanted the area for the house and around the house to be a little higher than the ground around it. We are not far above sea level. We're about 80 feet above sea level here on our property. Our water level in our soil, in our ground, is at most 3 feet and at best 18 inches. So if you dig down 18 inches, you could possibly hit water. So we do not want that in our house. So we are building our pad under our house up about a foot or two off the ground, and that's probably what you see right here. We brought in some topsoil and sand to help that drain, and then we are gonna build our house off the ground about 3 feet.
Okay, we're back. Just put a little more dirt up there. Getting ready to do some compacting. Got the little roller here. Got the roller right here. Pad there, got it smoothed up pretty good.